Welcome back, folks, to the chapter 2 of our fundamental series. In today's lesson, I'm going to go into detailed the 6 major muscle groups. In the previous lessons, we talked about the anatomy of muscle building, and we later discussed that there are 6 most important muscle groups in the body, and they are the chest, the shoulders, the arms, the back, the abdominal muscles, and also the leg muscles. We discussed briefly these muscle groups. So if you've not watched the first lesson, I will encourage you to go check it out now before you continue with today's lesson. All right. So this is the link. That's the link over there to the first lesson. Click that link and then go through the lessons. When you are done, then you come back and we continue with today's lesson. So if you are done watching it, then let's dive into today's lesson. We are going to take the chest as our first muscle group to discuss. As I said earlier on in a previous lesson, the chest is made up of pectoralis. The pectoralis is commonly referred to as pecs, especially among gym buddies, right? The pecs is divided into 2 types, the pectoralis major and also the pectoralis minor, right? Now, when we say pectoralis major, then it's also considered as the biggest among them all. And its function is to help flex the shoulder joint whilst moving the arm upward and across the chest, right? The pectoralis minor is also located beneath the pectoralis major, and it also functions to help pull the shoulders forward and down. Now, the most common exercises that you can be doing to target the chest muscles are compound movements such as bench pressing. Under bench pressing, we have 2 types. It could be a barbell bench pressing or a dumbbell bench pressing. Now, under these 2, we have different variations, right? That is, you can go for a flat bench pressing, an incline bench pressing, or even a decline bench pressing, depending on the type of muscle you want to target in the chest, right? Okay, this compound movement does not only target the chest, it also have a significant impact on the shoulders and also the triceps, hence the name compound, right? We also have an isolation exercise that you could be doing to help target your chest. This exercise examples are chest flies. It could be cable fly, machine fly, dumbbell flies. Any of them helps isolate your chest. Most beginners that I've seen so far like to do a bunch of flying exercise or isolation exercise such as cable flies because they think it's good. This is one of the mistakes that they do. As a beginner, I will encourage you to do more of the compound movement exercises, and this is going to help you develop strength over time. All right, so that is that for the chest. We continue with the back muscles in the next lesson, right? So see you again in the next lesson. Bye bye.